If you like and subscribe, you will become rich. Probably not. On today's video, we're going to tackle running some of the wiring, putting on the edge trim, putting on the fencing, fixing the furniture, and everything it takes to get the boat ready for the water.
Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to.
Sure, man. Or maybe just straight up, actually. Just go straight up, yeah.
Right through the crack?
Yeah. Just, That's fine, yeah. That'll be more than enough.
It's my own desire. It's my own remorse. Help me to decide. Help me make the most of freedom and of pleasure. Nothing ever lasts. Everybody wants the
My friend Perry just helped me run all this wire. Took us a couple hours, but we've got everything run. Some of it has to be like spliced, so we're running things in parallel. But we've got some blue lights here for the LED lights. We've got, what have we got here? We've got USB power for USB outlets, speaker right, headlight power, and headlight. And then over here we've got the port and starboard lights. And it was a bit of a mission to figure out where to put these holes. So we had to literally put the seats up, put the fence up, put the edging on, and then proceed to measure everything, drill holes. And it really wasn't nice drilling a hole into my deck, but it's necessary, right? We do necessary things. And then, we just got really neat here. We put cable ties here. I'm not sure if those cables there are actually going to rattle or not. Rolling the dice on that one, but we'll see. But otherwise, it's looking good. Here we've basically got the exact same layout according to the plans that are made up. So you can see here, I've got the headlights over there. Got the port starboard. I think it's port, yeah. Speaker, the blue light, LED strip lights, And I got USB. USB is actually going to be over here. And then same thing on this side. So pretty interesting, but easy. And then next thing I got to do is I got to run all of these things at the back. So batteries over here, and then speaker. I got to run all this cable. So the cable's going to go from here down to there, and then through there, I think. I'll figure it out. But problem is, I've run out of cable. So I've ordered another 200 feet. FYI, when you're busy doing cabling on your boat, this is 14 gauge cable that I'm using. I probably could have used 16. However, this is also shielded. So it's tinned and shielded, which makes it pretty much impervious to vibration and braking, and it's marine, so it's marine. Just add a zero onto the price of everything because it says marine on it. So yeah, 200 feet of cable. That's 200 feet of cable. Can you believe it? A lot of cable. So another spool is coming tomorrow, and then I will run the back half. I think for now I'm going to wrestle with this battery cable and then find a way to put my switch panel in. I've got a 5 panel and a 6 panel, or 7 panel, can't count. 7 panel switches like that. And I'm gonna have to try and get these to fit onto my console somehow. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we will try. I got my subwoofer, everything else, the radio, and my gauges. Got some new gauges. They're looking cool. I like those. Other things I still have to put in is cleats. I've got cleats over here that I need to affix to the floor, to the corners. So I need to figure that out. I should do that before I get the edging on. It's pretty essential. And then from there, I think I'll be ready to go. Let's see how it goes.
So this was a horrible moment when the wind blew off the corner piece. Luckily there was only some small scratches that probably only I will ever see. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe for future videos.
Everybody wants to rule the world.
So this is happening. Managed to fill this gap over here. Break my leg at the same time. Anyway, managed to fill this gap up. Cut off some pieces of the fence here, which I don't need. Extra pieces they sent me. And then as I get up here, oh my gosh, I'm starting to put on the seats. So I've got the speakers in, got my subwoofer over here, which should be behind my wife's chair. She's gonna be around here, I think. And then busy putting on these seats here, and ready to go. All right, so yesterday was a busy day. Managed to get the seats on. They're looking great. Still waiting for the lean backs. Got the captain's chair over here. Co-pilot over here. These are all in, really comfortable and ready to go. Got my gate in, nice and secure. And got this gate over here. Gonna be cool. You gotta slide this chair all the way back to be able to get access to the gate, which is fine. We were debating putting this chair over there. However, I just didn't think there'd be enough space over here. This is a great place if you want to put tubes or a cooler over here. I've got some tie downs that go into get recessed into the floor that are coming soon. Still got to put in the table base. I've got a flush mount table base that's going to go in there. That'll be pretty sweet. So yeah, this guy's gonna basically sit like this. It's like that. So it's gonna be quite nice, I think. Anyway, so next is, and over here we're gonna put a nice little little rope, because I think the door is going to be irritating. We haven't got tiny kids that are going to run off. So, yeah, that's on its way. Then over here, gonna still make a little fuel enclosure. So I've got a plan for that, and I'll show you what that looks like. But yeah, that's basically the boat. So now it's time for the bimini to be put up, so that I can actually have some shade on here, because this is pretty warm. I mean, it's a hot day in North Carolina, but these seats, I mean, you can sit on them, but I think they'd be a little bit warm to sit for an extended period of time. So shade is necessary. Anyway, it's looking beautiful. These seats are very comfortable. Lean, tilt, twist, swivel, etc., etc. And this layout, I think, is a winning layout. I think the family's gonna love it. Probably do a spot of fishing off here too. So I have to look at some clip-on rod holders, and there are more things to scroll through Amazon and find. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. On to the bimini.
I gotta finish off the fuel tank enclosure, get that nice and wrapped, put a lid on it, and then this is what the boat looks like right now. So I've got a little rope at the back there, and got all the fencing on, most of the furniture, got some new lean backs coming from Pontoon stuff. Stay tuned for new videos coming your way soon.